Hi there, and welcome to this unboxing video for the Aiibot T288 robotic vacuum cleaner. So let's get started. Let's get stuck into the box. So it comes with a quite sturdy box here. I'm just going to open it up now. I was attracted to this particular robot because it's got remote control. It's also got quite a long battery life on it and anti-fall sensors as well. So I'm into the box. It's upside down, as you can see, but let's just have a look at the unit itself. So here we go. Just open the box. As you can see, it's still got cellophane on it. Looks like some very clear signage here to put on the button first, just to make it work. There we go, and it's on. Quite a nice button here. And I need to remove tape before using it. At the back, you've got two kind of big wheels and a steering, smaller one at the front. We've got quite good suspension here, and there's the sensors here on the side and also on the front. So let's just take this off. Also, let's have a look what else is in the box. So we've got a remote control, as I mentioned, that's really quite useful. Charger, so this particular robot doesn't actually come with a charging base, you have to manually plug it in. But for this sort of price, what you kind of expect, and you get 4 cleaning brushes as well. So that's what's in the box, and now I'm going to have a play with it.